Remember what thing? Remember the field trip we're going to have at school today? Yeah, I've already got my stuff packed in my backpack. I just need to get back. I just need to go back to my house and get it.
Oh my god, it's in the backpack.
Okay, I'm gonna go grab my stuff, and I'll meet you out here.
Okay.
Okay, get everything packed. Let's do this. Alright. Okay, now let's just put on backpack. Okay, I got everything ready. Now I just gotta get the flour. Not enough. Okay. Flour? Ooh. Alright? Anyways, aren't you excited for the field trip?
That's how I actually stick to it. Nice.
What in the...
Who the heck is that?
I don't know. Let's just go.
Anyways, let's remember skateboards.
Yeah, remember our bikes?
Yeah, I remember.
Why is she following us?
I don't know.
Let's just get away from her.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, there's a horsey right by the school. Horsey. Oh, there's another one.
We're almost there. Let's try not to be late this time.
Yeah, it's like literally school's literally about to start, so here we go.
And we made it.
And let's start. Anyways, let's do this. Let's put our backpacks away and get our lunch out. Okay, I got my lunch.
Okay, I have it.
Okay, let's get into the classroom.
Put your bag away.
Hello, Flower and Marigold. You're the first ones here.
Oh. Well, that's surprising.
Anyways, okay, so we just gotta wait for the other people to get here, and then we can go on our field trip.
How long are they gonna take?
It's whenever they get here. Oh shoot! I left my locker open.
Teacher, can I go use the bathroom?
Sure, Flower.
Thank you.
Flower, Annie, come to the principal's office.
What could this be about? I don't know.
Joke! Joke!
Okay,
Just go.
please do not ever do that again.
Okay, honey, I won't. Okay, Flower, what happened?
What?
What happened?
Oh, nothing else. Joke.
Oh my goodness. Our principal likes to joke.
It's night. Teacher, it's time to turn nighttime. JK.
Okay, everyone's here. Now let's get on the bus.
Where's the bus?
Oh, here we go. Let's get on our bus. am. Here we go. Woo! I'm so excited. Flower, how excited are you? I can't steer! Okay, we're just going to get through here, and then we're there. Okay, we just gotta get through here, and then we're at the, and then we go through the town, and I'm excited, Flower. We're going through a tunnel. Let's go! I can't wait to get to the museum. There's a stop sign. Okay, we just gotta wait. Ew. Are you okay back there?
Yeah, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I just get bus sick. Oh.
But we're not even moving.
We're here, Flower.
We're here.
Well, your clothes changed. Did you let down your hair? Butterflies.
Hello there.
Hi. Hello, children. Welcome to the Promises Museum. Before we enter the museum, I'd like to tell you that your best behavior is required. Okay, we know. Don't do anything stupid or you'll be going back to your home. Alright. Did I make myself clear? Yes!
I broke the window.
Anyways, Flower, should we just be going inside? Good. Now, follow me into the museum.
I broke the window, sir.
Okay, let's go. Ooh. Hello, everybody. Hello. My name is Shauna. I will be your guide.
Hello.
Hey, Shauna.
I'm gonna touch this painting.
What are you doing, Flower?
I'm touching it.
I hope you understand that what I just said, so you can now go and look and have a look at the museum.
I'm gonna go over this way. Bye-bye.
Okay, I'll go over here.
More paintings to touch.
There's a what?
What's that?
This is the cafeteria. I was led to the cafeteria.
Cafeteria.
Okay, I'll go to the one you went to.
Where do we go, ma'am?
You can go anywhere you want. What's your name?
Flower.
What's your last name?
Annie.
Okay. I'm Marigold. My last name is Cooper. Ooh.
I stuck the landing again.
Ooh. Okay, everyone. Y'all must be really hungry.
I'm going to the cafeteria. Goodbye.
I stuck the landing.
Good job. First time.
Follow me to the cafeteria. I know where the cafeteria is already. Who are you? Get away from my table!
I'm gonna steal your donut.
Get away from my table!
I am donut.
let's eat them. What do you all want to eat? We already have food to eat.
Let's go on donuts.
Donuts!
Yeah, we want more donuts.
Okay, so now we're gonna eat donuts. Yeah! Donut! Yummy! Donut! Oh, it's gone.
Let me touch the fireplace. I'm gonna go touch the fireplace. Ow, it hurt. That hurt.
What is going on? Zebra gang on the loose! What?
What?
There's a zebra gang on the loose! Go.
Okay, I'm going to go in the fireplace. Goodbye. Let me out.
You're right, Mr. Johnson!
I stay up here. Goodbye. They can't hurt me up here.
But we don't need to worry about it.
Flower.
We're safe from them.
Flower. Yeah.
It's Marigold. It's Marigold flower, your flower.
Nice. They can't. They won't let me. We're statues. We're statues. We're statues.
Flower, you alright? You look green.
They're statues. What was it? Okay. First off, I know I'm allergic to heights. Which was in the donuts.
Yeast? Yeast was in the donuts? Flower's allergic to those.
And I ate it, and now we need a medkit.
Uh-oh. Get the medic quick, or Flower has to go to the hospital.
We're going to the bedroom.
Come on, Flower.
Where's this?
Come on, Flower.
Bathrooms are not this way.
Come on. You can't go to the hospital. Wait, what's this? Okay, nothing mind. Never mind. Flower, we don't have much time left before you have to go to the hospital. Flower! No. Unfortunately, Kitten's health got it way worse than expected, and she has to go to the hospital. No, Flower!
I'm gone.
It's almost evening. We should leave now. I can't do this without Flower. I'm leaving. Goodbye,